Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for semester exams. First, begin by creating a comprehensive study schedule at least 2 weeks before your exams. This plan should outline specific topics for each day, ensuring you cover all material. Breaking down large subjects into smaller, manageable tasks prevents overwhelm and makes the process more effective. Consistency is key for retaining information. Next, engage in active learning rather than passive reading. Try summarizing chapters in your own words or explaining concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. Utilize past exam papers to familiarize yourself with question styles and time constraints. This practice helps identify your weaker areas, allowing you to allocate more study time where it's most needed for significant improvement. Regularly review all previously studied material to solidify your understanding and memory. Frequent self-testing with flashcards or practice quizzes helps gauge your progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Try simulating actual exam conditions, including time limits, to reduce anxiety and improve your time management skills on the big day. This builds confidence. On exam day, prioritize a good night's sleep, aiming for at least 8 hours, and eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain. Arrive early, stay calm, and read all instructions carefully before starting. After the exams, take time to relax and reflect on your performance. And hey, for easy meal prep during your study sessions, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Remember, learning is a continuous journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.